The wild symphony of wolves. Wolves are more than just symbols of wildness. They are vital players in the ecosystems they inhabit. But not all wolves are the same. Across the globe, wolves have evolved into unique subspecies, each with distinct characteristics to survive their environments. The gray wolf, the pack leader of the North. Found across North America, Europe, and Asia, the gray wolf is renowned for its adaptability, intelligence, and social structure. With a size range from 70 to 100 pounds, males are typically larger than females. Their coats can vary from gray to black or even white, depending on their habitat. Gray wolves can cover up to 12 miles in a single night in search of prey. The Arctic wolf, cold's resilient survivor. Smaller than its cousins, the Arctic wolf weighs between 70 and 125 pounds and is equipped with thicker fur, shorter ears, and a more compact body to withstand temperatures that plunge below -30 degrees Fahrenheit. It can go months without food, surviving in one of the harshest environments on the planet. Incredible fact, Arctic wolves live in almost total darkness for up to 5 months each year during the Arctic winter. The Mexican wolf, a struggle for survival. Once nearly extinct, this wolf subspecies weighs only 50 to 80 pounds. It roams the southwestern United States and Mexico, where it preys on deer, javelina, and small mammals. Through concentrated conservation efforts, the Mexican wolf population has begun to rise again. Did you know? Mexican wolves were reintroduced into the wild in the 1990s after being declared extinct in the wild in the 1970s. Eurasian wolf, the ghost of Europe. Slightly smaller than its North American relatives, the Eurasian wolf weighs between 70 and 110 pounds. It was driven to the brink of extinction by human expansion, but conservation efforts have helped them reclaim parts of Europe and Asia. Fun fact: Eurasian wolves were once seen as pests and hunted to near extinction, but are now protected in many regions. From the icy Arctic to the blazing deserts of India, wolves have adapted to survive in some of the world's harshest environments. Each subspecies plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Yet, despite their differences, all wolves share a common bond: their importance as apex predators and their unbreakable connection to the wild.